Good morning students. Today we are going to see geometry construction of trapezium. Trapezium is a quadrilateral in which a pair of opposite sides are parallel. This is the shape of the trapezium. Here the pair of opposite sides, that is these two sides are parallel sides, and we call the other two sides as a non-parallel sides. If the non-parallel sides of the trapezium are equal in their length, then we call this trapezium as isosceles trapezium. The area to find the trapezium is half into h into a plus b square units, where a and b are length of the parallel sides, that is the length of these two sides, and h is the height of the trapezium. This one is h. Now see exercise 5.4. How to construct the trapezium using the given measurements. Also you have to find the area. For some AIMS is a trapezium with AI is parallel to SM and AI equal to 6 cm, IM equal to 5 cm, AM equal to 9 cm and MS equal to 6.5 cm. They had given the measurements of 3 sides and 1 diagonal, and they given the sides which are parallel. AI is parallel to SM. This is the rough diagram. First you have to draw the rough diagram. Trapezium AIMS. After drawing the trapezium, you have to mark the measurements. For that, AI is parallel to SM. That is AI, this side is parallel to SM. These two sides are, they had given us parallels. The next measurement given is AI equal to 6 cm. Then IM which is given as 5 cm. And AM equal to 9 cm. The next measurement gives us the diagonal, that is AM. So we have to join the diagonals and write it as 9 cm. And the last measure given is MS equal to 6.5 cm. That is MX. The length of M and X is 6.5 cm. After finishing the rough diagram, with the help of this rough diagram, we are going to construct the trapezium AIMS. For that, first you have to draw the base AI equal to 6 cm. Keep the scale and mark the measures of 6 cm and draw the line and write AI 6 cm. After that, you have to draw the next side IM, which is given as 5 cm. So you have to take 5 cm in your compass. Measure 5 cm in your compass. Keep it at I and cut an arc. The next measure we are going to take in the rhombus is AM, that is given as 9 cm. So we are taking 9 cm in the compass. We are taking in the compass, and we are keeping the compass at A, and we cut the previous arc at M. And mark this point as M. Now join IM and AM and write the measurements. 5 cm, here 9 cm. Then before drawing the side MS 6.5 cm, we are going to draw the parallel line of AI that is parallel to AI, that is MS. For drawing the parallel lines, you have to take the set square which is having right angle and you have to place it in the base of the trapezium in AI. Then keep the scale in the left hand side of this trapezium. You have to keep the set square and scale like this to draw a parallel line. After placing the scale and set square, you have to move the set square alone to the point M. Then draw the parallel line and mark it as X. Then after that, now you have to measure MS as 6.5 centimeter. Take the scale, measure 6.5 centimeter. Keep it at M. Cut the arc and name that point as S. And it is 6.5 centimeter. Now join A, S. This is the required trapezium AIMS. After construct the trapezium, you are going to draw the perpendicular line to find the height of the trapezium. For that, again we are using the set square by keeping it in the base with the point S. You have to draw the height of the trapezium and measure it is 4.8 centimeter. This is the required trapezium of AIMS with measures AI equal to 6 cm, IM equal to 5 cm, AM equal to 9 cm and MS equal to 6.5 cm. After constructing the trapezium, you have to write the construction. That is step by step of constructing the trapezium. First, you have to draw the line segment AI equal to 6 cm. Then with A and I as center, draw the arcs of radii 9 cm and 5 cm respectively and let them cut it at M. Next, you have to join AM and IM, and the fourth step is draw MX parallel to AI. The fifth one is with MS center, draw an arc of radius 6.5 cm, cutting MX at S. Then sixth point, you have to join AS. Now AIMS is the required trapezium. In the question, they are also find the area of the trapezium. For that, area of a trapezium AIMS equal to half into H into A plus B square unit. H we are found it as 4.8 and A and B are the parallel sides, that is 6 and 6.5 centimeter. After doing the calculation, we get the area of a trapezium AIMS as 30 centimeter square. Now see one more sum. CUTE with CD parallel to ET, CE equal to 7 cm, angle UCE equal to 80 degree, CE equal to 6 cm and TE equal to 5 cm. Here you have to construct the trapezium CUTE with CD and ET are parallel sides. And they had given the 3 sides and 1 angle. Using these measurements, we are going to construct the trapezium. First, draw the rough diagram CUTE. Now, mention the measurements given in the sum. That is, CU is given as 7 cm. Before CU, they had given CD is parallel to ET. That is, CU is parallel to ET. Then the next measurement given is UCE is given as 80 degree. That is, UCE, this angle is 80 degree. Then CE equal to 6 centimeter. CE, the distance between C and E is 6 centimeter. The distance between T and E is 5 centimeter. After drawing the rough diagram, you have to construct the trapezium. For that, first you have to draw the base CU equal to 5 centimeter. CU is given as 7 centimeter, so we are drawing CU 7 centimeter. After drawing the base, the next measurement given is an angle UCE 80 degree. For that, you have to keep the protractor at C and mark the angle 80 degree. Then join with the ray CX. After joining the ray CX for angle UCX is 80 degree. The next measurement given is CE is 6 centimeter. For that, you have to take 6 centimeter in the compass. Centimeter you have to take it, and from C you have to cut an arc which intersect the ray CX at E. Before going to the next measurement, you have to draw the parallel line TE parallel to CU. For that, we are placing this set square in the base, and you are keeping the scale in the left of the set square. Then you have to move it to E. Then join, then draw the parallel line of EY. Then take the next measurement of 5 centimeter in the compass. From E, cut an arc EY at T. Join U and T. Now CUTE is the required trapezium with given measurement. After finish constructing this, you have to draw the perpendicular line to find the height. From E, we are going to draw the perpendicular line, and the height of this trapezium is 6 centimeter. 5.8 centimeter. After constructing the trapezium, you have to write the construction step by step, how you construct the trapezium CUTE. After that, you have to find the area of this trapezium CUTE. For that, we are using the formula half into H into A plus B square units. That is half into 5.8 into 7 plus 5 square centimeter. That is half into 5.8 into 12. If we cancel it, we will get 6, and multiply 5.8 into 6, we get 34.8 centimeter square. Thank you.